Put oxygenated water on your feet and see what happens. Oxygenated water is a wonderful compound with properties that you may not even be able to imagine. It can be your best ally for multiple uses that you need to know. In this video, I will show you what happens when you dip your feet in oxygenated water, and once you know it, you will thank me forever. In addition to telling you what it is for to dip your feet in oxygenated water, I will also give you some other tips that you cannot stop applying at home. It is important that you know that for these tips, oxygenated water is recommended at 3%, since a higher percentage should be handled with much greater care. Tips with oxygenated water. Number 1. Remove yellow stains from clothes. We have all had those terrible stains caused by deodorant, but no longer. Just apply oxygenated water in the area until it is soaked. Take advantage and let me know from which country you are watching me, so I can send you a special greeting at the end of the videos. Let it rest for an hour. Once the time passes, wash as usual and the stains will go away. Number 2. Disinfect the toothbrush. You must change the toothbrush every 3 months, but in between changes, you can disinfect it by immersing it in oxygenated water. Then rinse with water and it will be free of bacteria. Number 3. Do a mouthwash. You can prepare an excellent mouthwash at a fraction of the price of those on the market. Just mix half a cup of water with half a cup of oxygenated water. Make a mouthwash by letting it act for a minute and then spit as usual. An additional benefit is that over time, you will notice that the teeth will look much brighter. Number 4. Clean the vegetables. Take a spray container and pour a little oxygenated water. Then spray until it soaks. This will help you disinfect the vegetables and fruits very well. Remove with ordinary water and you're done. Number 5. Clear the tiles. If the tiles in the tiles are dirty, oxygenated water is very useful for this. Just mix a tablespoon or 2 of baking soda and apply it to the tiles of the tiles and they will look like new. Now we come to the star trick of this video. Being close to the ground, the feet are exposed to a large amount of bacteria. For this reason, they are often filled with fungi and germs that cause cracks and bad smell. Oxygenated water is an excellent foot deodorant. It removes bad smell, removes fungus from nails and the famous athlete's foot that affects millions of people. You just have to take a bucket and fill it with a liter of warm water. Then add 200 milliliters of oxygenated water and 100 milliliters of white vinegar. Soak both feet and let them rest for 20 minutes. After a few days, you will notice the difference. Which of these tricks did you think was the coolest? If you know any other trick or application of oxygenated water, let me know below. Today's greeting is for Sarita Baez from the United States and for Carmen Prieto from Switzerland. Thanks for watching our videos. I say goodbye, wishing you rich blessings. Until next time.